Wait, did you just qualify for a $5,300 Social Security payment? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the shocking part: millions could be eligible, and most don't even know it yet. Is this a new law, a secret benefit, or just a rumor? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the truth that could change everything for Social Security, SSI, and SSDI beneficiaries. Wait! Before we dive deeper into this game-changing $5,300 Social Security payment, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Breaking news has just emerged regarding a potential $5,300 one-time Social Security payment set to be distributed to eligible beneficiaries, including those receiving Supplemental Security Income, SSI, and Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI. This significant development has sparked widespread interest, as millions of Americans eagerly await further details on the approval process, eligibility requirements, and payment schedule. With the financial challenges many individuals face today, this proposed payment could serve as a crucial relief for retirees, disabled individuals, and low-income recipients who rely on Social Security benefits as their primary source of income. The discussion surrounding this $5,300 one-time payment has intensified as more people seek to understand how this financial boost will impact their current benefits. Social Security beneficiaries have long depended on their monthly payments to cover essential expenses such as rent, groceries, medical bills, and other daily necessities. The approval of this substantial payout could alleviate financial stress for many seniors and disabled individuals who have been struggling due to the rising cost of living. Many recipients are hopeful that this payment will be implemented swiftly, allowing them to use the funds to secure their financial well-being in the months ahead. Government officials and policymakers have been actively debating the necessity and feasibility of issuing a one-time Social Security payment. As inflation continues to strain household budgets, lawmakers are exploring various ways to provide additional support to those who need it the most. This proposed $5,300 payout is designed to offer immediate financial relief to beneficiaries, ensuring they can maintain their quality of life despite economic uncertainties. If approved, this payment will likely be disbursed through direct deposits or mailed checks, similar to previous stimulus payments and Social Security distributions. Many Social Security recipients are eager to learn about the eligibility requirements for the $5,300 one-time payment. While official guidelines have yet to be confirmed, it is expected that individuals receiving SSI, SSDI, and other Social Security benefits will be automatically included in the payout. Seniors who depend on Social Security retirement benefits, as well as disabled individuals who rely on SSDI, could benefit significantly from this financial assistance. The goal of this one-time payment is to support those who are most vulnerable to economic hardships, ensuring they have the resources needed to meet their essential expenses without falling into financial distress. Public reaction to this potential payout has been overwhelmingly positive, with many beneficiaries expressing relief at the prospect of receiving additional financial support. Social Security recipients have been advocating for increased benefits, arguing that the current cost of living adjustments, COLA, have not been sufficient to keep up with rising inflation. This $5,300 one-time payment represents a step in the right direction, offering a much-needed financial cushion for those who depend on Social Security as their primary source of income. Many individuals have taken to social media and community forums to share their thoughts, with some stating that this payment could help cover overdue bills, medical expenses, and other pressing financial obligations. Despite the optimism surrounding this proposed payment, there are still several factors to consider before its official implementation. Lawmakers must finalize the details of the payment, including the funding source, distribution timeline, and any potential limitations. Some experts have raised concerns about the financial implications of issuing a one-time payment of this magnitude, questioning whether the Social Security trust funds can sustain such a large disbursement. However, proponents argue that providing financial relief to beneficiaries is a necessary step to ensure their well-being, particularly in light of ongoing economic challenges. As the approval process moves forward, Social Security recipients are advised to stay informed by monitoring official government announcements and updates from the Social Security Administration, SSA. Scammers often take advantage of news surrounding financial payments, so beneficiaries should be cautious and avoid providing personal information to unauthorized sources. The SSA will provide clear guidelines on how the payment will be distributed, ensuring that recipients receive accurate and secure information regarding their benefits. In addition to the $5,300 one-time payment, discussions about potential long-term changes to Social Security benefits continue to gain traction. Some policymakers have proposed permanent increases to Social Security payments, arguing that current benefits do not adequately reflect the financial realities faced by retirees and disabled individuals. These proposals aim to ensure that Social Security recipients receive sufficient financial support to cover their essential needs without experiencing undue financial strain. While the approval of this one-time payment is a significant development, many beneficiaries are hopeful that additional measures will be implemented to provide ongoing financial stability. For those who rely on Social Security benefits, the potential approval of this $5,300 payment represents a critical moment in their financial planning. Many recipients have already begun considering how they will allocate the funds, with some prioritizing medical expenses, rent, and utility bills. Others view this payment as an opportunity to build a small financial cushion, allowing them to better navigate future economic uncertainties. Regardless of how the funds are used, the overarching sentiment among Social Security recipients is one of hope and anticipation, as they await further confirmation on when they can expect to receive this financial relief. As discussions surrounding this payment continue, it is essential for beneficiaries to remain patient and informed. The Social Security Administration and government officials will provide official updates as new information becomes available, ensuring that recipients have a clear understanding of the payment process. By staying vigilant and relying on credible sources, Social Security beneficiaries can navigate this period of uncertainty with confidence, knowing that financial relief may soon be on the way. The potential approval of the $5,300 one-time Social Security payment marks a significant moment for millions of Americans who depend on Social Security benefits. While there are still several steps before the payment is officially implemented, the discussions surrounding this financial boost reflect a broader recognition of the economic challenges faced by retirees, disabled individuals, and low-income beneficiaries. As the situation develops, Social Security recipients remain hopeful that this payment will soon become a reality, providing them with the financial support needed to maintain their quality of life and achieve greater financial security in the months ahead.